am D.T. Vimala, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, working in St. Joseph College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Today we are going to see the topic input devices from the subject computer graphics. We know about the input devices because today we have most of them are using computers and we are having the smartphones. So we are familiar with input devices. About that, there are more input devices. We can see what are that. What are the input devices? Input devices are hardware components or peripherals that allow user to enter data, commands or information into a computer. This device facilitates the communication between the user and the computer by converting the physical actions or signals into the digital data that the computer can understand and process. This is the process of input devices. We can see the various types of input devices. What are the types of input devices we have? That is keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, graphic tablet, microphone, magnetic ink code reader MICR, optical character reader OCR, barcode reader and optical marker reader OMR. Among that, first we can see the keyboard. It's a common input devices. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input devices which helps to input data to the computer. Keyboards have two sizes, that is 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys. But now keyboards with 104 keys or 108 keys are also available for Windows and Internet. What are the keys are there in the keyboards? The first one is the typing key. This key includes the letter key, that is A to Z, and digit key 09, which generally gives the same layout as that of typewriters. And then numeric keypad. It is used to enter the numeric data or cursor movement. Next is the function keys. The 12 functions keys are present on the keyboard. Each function key has a unique meaning and is used for some specific purpose. We can see in the keyboard that is F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6. So all these are the function keys. Next one is the control keys. These keys provide cursor and screen control. It includes that is a 4 directional arrow keys, and other control keys are home, end, insert, delete, page up, page down, control, alternate, escape. And then we have among that we have some special purpose keys. That is, a keyboard also contains some special purpose keys such as enter, shift, caps lock, num lock, space bar, tab and sprint screen. Next input devices is mouse. Mouse is the most popular pointing devices. Mouse cannot give any input, but it can easily point out the place. Or if you have any documents you want to point in any point, you can use the mouse. But by using the mouse, you cannot give the input such as the alphabets or numerics. Okay, mouse is the most popular pointing devices. It has two buttons, left and right button, and wheel impression between the buttons. Mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen, but it cannot be used to enter text into a computer. Next input device is joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical ball on both its lower and upper ends. The lower spherical ball moves in a socket. Joystick can be moved in all 4 directions. Next input device is light pen. Light pen is a pointing device similar look like it as a pen. It is used to select a display menu item or draw a picture on the monitor screen. If you went to some other government office, there will have your pen model. In that you can put the sign. If you put the sign on that board, it will be automatically converted as a digital format and it will be placed in the system. It consists of photocell and optical system placed in a small tube. When the tip of the light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, its photocell sensing element detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. Next is a trackball. Trackball is an input device that is most commonly used in notebook or laptop instead of a mouse. This is a ball which is half inserted, and by moving fingers on the ball, the pointers can be moved. A trackball requires less space than a mouse. A trackball comes in various shapes like a ball, a button, or a square. Next input device is a scanner. Scanner is an input device. The scanner captures the images from the source, which are then converted to the digital form that can be stored on the disk. These images can be edited before they are printed. Next is a digitizer. Digitizer is an input device which converts analog information into a digital information. Digitize is also known as a tablet or graphic tablet, as it converts graphic and pictorial data into the binary inputs. A graphic tablet, as digitized, is used for fine works of drawing and image manipulation applications. Microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is stored in a digital form. Nowadays we have a microphone in all smart devices. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to a multimedia presentation or for mixing music. In laptops, all the microphones are inbuilt. Next, magnetic ink code reader, that is MICR. The bank code number and check number are printed on the check with a special type of ink that contain particles of magnetic material that are machine readable. Okay, that is the MICR code. This reading process is called magnetic ink character recognition. The main advantage of MICR is that it is fast and less error prone. Next input device is a barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device used for reading a barcoded data. Barcoded reader scans a barcode image and converts it into alphanumeric value, which is then fed to the computer that the barcode reader is connected to. That it first reads the barcode image and then it converts it to alphanumeric value and then it sends to the computer. That is the work of the barcode reader. Thank you.